Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we will learn about CapCut application and I want to show you the way how you can make your picture moving around into the video screen. So I already have this background, it's only black blank background here, and I will need to add the picture first. Tap into this overlay, click this add overlay, and then you just need to find the pictures that you want to add here. I'll let you use cat picture, so I'll let you find the cat picture first. Okay, I've got it. So I'll let you use this fat cat to be the picture that I want it to use. Next, make sure that you adjusting the duration. Make sure the duration is standing just the same with the duration of the video clip. Perfect. Now I'll let adjusting the size. I want to make it smaller so they could be like showing you the moving later on. The next thing you need to do is just go drag this picture into the place or the point that you want to the picture gonna start moving. I'll let to stand here. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into this add keyframe, and now you just need to slide this straight line into the specific point, and then you just need to move the picture into the specific area that you want to get. I want to make it like across the video, and then drag this straight line again into the specific area or point or duration, then drag the pictures again. Just do it the same way, and then you will got this picture later on moving in the whole video. Okay, we're done. Now let's see the result. Now you can see that the pictures is moving around into the whole video. That's for this tutorial, guys. If you still have some question or confused, just drag your question into the comment section and we will meet again into other tutorial.